Hi, my name is Curt from Restoration Marketing Experts. Today's video is why generic marketing fails restoration and exterior contracting companies. Marketing should be working better for restoration and exterior contracting companies. When it's not working, most owners assume that the marketing company is bad, but that's usually not the real issue. They might be a great marketing company, but just not the right fit for your type of business. For example, a company that's great at marketing auto repair shops will often use the same strategy in restoration, but that doesn't work because restoration is an emergency industry. Generic marketing is not built for emergencies. So let's talk about why it fails and what works better. So restoration is an emergency business. Restoration and storm damage are not the normal home service businesses. So customers are stressed, they're overwhelmed, and insurance is usually involved. People aren't looking for clever ads, they're looking for one thing. Who can I trust right now? Generic funnels don't match emergency behaviors. So what that means is most companies are usually in the same funnel. They put them in an ad, it goes to a website, to the form, and then a follow-up. That works for non-emergency services, but it doesn't work well for storm damage or water damage calls. So in an emergency, people need clear next steps, immediate reassurance, and the authority right away. If your website doesn't answer, what do I do now? They're going to leave. The danger of lead-only marketing. More leads don't mean better marketing. A lead-only system often produces price shoppers, renters, non-emergency calls. So you're going to get a lot of calls, but not a lot of great calls. So your staff wastes the time sorting bad leads. Your salespeople are not happy. And so the goal is not more leads. The goal is better calls. Specialized marketing is built specifically for restoration and exterior contracting companies. It focuses on local authority, emergency intent, insurance-related questions. It educates people before they call. Phone calls are prioritized over forms. You get fewer leads, but higher quality leads. Better close rates, less internal chaos. A strategy call is not the sales pitch. It's a review. So look at your local visibility, your intent, alignment, and where your funnel breaks down. You'll walk away with clarity, whether we work with you or not. Restoration and roofing, they don't need louder marketing. They need marketing built specifically for urgency, trust, and their reality. Contact us today. We'd be happy to set up a 30-minute free consultation to see if we can help you bring in more business for your company.